From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, Penn State. I'm student meteorologist Gavin Sandel here with your Tuesday afternoon forecast. Looking at Beaver Stadium today, we started very warm in the 60s. Right now, though, very nice blue skies as right now at about 11:30, we are sitting at 82 degrees. We've been very warm recently, and the trend is not going to end today, but I'll talk about that in just a little while. 82 degrees, as I mentioned, 68-degree dew point. That is pretty high at this time of year. That means that it is very humid in the air right now. Not much, though, on the radar. No clouds or rain to speak of. And as I zoom out into the rest of the Northeast and the Midwest, there isn't really much going on. A little line of rain going on in Minnesota, although that will pass to our north. That won't affect us. And we won't have much rain in our worries until maybe the rest of the week to the weekend. Right now, though, 82 degrees, 68-degree dew point in State College. And then really in Pennsylvania, it is really warm. 86 in Philly. Even in Bradford, which is a pretty cool part of the state, it's 80 degrees with a 67-degree dew point. And relative to average, right now in the Commonwealth, 82 degrees, we're 7 degrees above average even before noon, which is crazy. And we're going to be going even higher in the future weather. Right now, today, we're probably going to be seeing upper 80s in the western part of the state. But even as you go down to Philly and Harrisburg and Allentown, we might be seeing 90s. And don't count State College out. We might see our first 90-degree day today. And if that's not the case, we might see it tomorrow. Although tonight it's going to get relatively cooler in the 60s, and then, yeah, as we go to Wednesday afternoon, we're going to be seeing much of the same as we saw today. Upper 80s, low 90s, maybe 96 degrees in Philly. That is warm. And as we go into the rest of Wednesday, we might see a little bit of rain pass through, although we're not going to be seeing a lot of rain widespread until we get to Thursday, Friday. And look at this, really a big shower blanketing the Northeast and the Mid-Atlantic. And Friday, that'll clear out, and then Saturday, the rain threat will return. So if you are going and doing plans this weekend, I would suggest maybe bringing an umbrella for those plans. So for today, 88 degrees, we are going to be seeing nothing but sunshine, a beautiful day. Tonight, 67, that is very much above average. Our average low in State Colleges are about the mid-50s, and we won't be seeing any clouds in our area. And then tomorrow, we might see a 90-degree temperature, and that means it is unseasonably hot. Not much to speak of in the wind department. And for our 7-day forecast, 88 degrees today. It is going to be warm for the next couple of days, and then as we go into the rest of the weekend, those temperatures will start to dip off into more what we usually see in the mid to upper 70s. And with that, I'm Gavin Sandel. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon.